So hello students, today we are going to learn about some numerical problems in physics. So to measurement of volume and density, relating to that we will be learning some numerical problems. So let us try the first sum. A box is of dimensions 2.4 meter, 1.0 meter and 75 centimeter. Find the volume of the box. So here the box has dimension, means the length of the box, the breadth of the box and the height of the box are given. What we should keep in mind is that all the units should be of the same, like here meter is there, here also meter, but here it is centimeter. So they are different. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter and then everything will be fine. So let us see here, given length is 2.4 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 75 centimeters. So we will find the volume of the box L into B into H. Okay, 2.4 into 1 into 0.75. So when we multiply this, you see here we have converted the 75 centimeter into 0.75 meter. Okay, so when you multiply this you will get 1.8 meter cube. Okay, now we come to the next question. Here, calculate the volume of a book which is 24 centimeter in length, 15 centimeter in breadth and 1 centimeter in height. So it is very simple. You have to again do what? Length into breadth into height. Okay, and everything is in centimeter. So it is very easy to get in centimeter cube. So we will see what is the value. So length is equal to 24 centimeter, breadth is equal to 15 centimeter, height is equal to 1 centimeter. So volume of the book is equal to L into B into H. That is 24 into 15 into 1. So final answer you get as 360 centimeter cube. Okay. Now you have learned to convert a centimeter cube into meter cube. So what you should do is, you know that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, and each centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. So this is 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 into 1 by 100. So you will get 10 to the power minus 6. Why we are writing minus 6? Because all the zeros from the denominator we are writing it up. So we have to show it by a minus sign here. Okay. So that is the value. Now volume of the book, if you want to convert centimeter cube into meter cube, you have to multiply. So you can write 360 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, so you can write the answer as this. Here they have shown us a more better way of representing, where you can shift the decimal from here 360, from here you can shift it to 3.6. So you are making it smaller. You are making 360 into 3.6, so you have to make it bigger this side. You multiply it with 100 here. So 2 zeros will get cancelled and you will get only 4 zeros now down. So 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube. Now next question. A measuring cylinder contains water to a level 22 ml. So you all know that a measuring cylinder is having some water, and now you are immersing a piece of copper in it completely. So the water level rises to how much? 30 ml. So what will be the volume of the piece of copper? We have done final level minus initial level. So here you see initial level of water was 22 ml. Finally it has become 30 ml. So how much will be the volume of the copper piece? That will be 30 minus 22. So how much you get? 8 ml. And you know that 1 centimeter cube and 1 ml are having equal values. So 8 ml means 8 centimeter cube. So your answer in centimeter cube is ready. Now we have to convert it into meter cube also. So you know that 1 centimeter cube means 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 meter cube. That is 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. So you have to just multiply it with 10 to the power minus 6 and you can write the answer. This is also very easy. Next, the diameter of a circular path is 30 meter. Find its surface area. So we know that in the circle diameter is 30, means radius will be half of diameter. So that is half into 30, you will get it as 15 meter. Now there is a formula for area of a circle, that is pi r square, and pi is equal to 3.14. Value of pi is 3.14. So you have to just multiply pi, that is 3.14, into the radius of the circle, that is 15 into 15. So when you multiply all this, you get 706.5 meter square. Okay, so this is also a very simple question. Only thing you have to remember the formula of a circle. Next question, a piece of iron has a volume 25 centimeter cube and mass 195 gram. Find the density of iron in gram per centimeter cube. So we know that density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, so how much is the mass? Mass is 195 and volume is 25. So mass by volume, simple calculation, you will get 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now if you want to convert into kilogram per meter cube, you have to just multiply it with 1000. So if it is 7.8, it will become 7.8 into 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So very simple question. Now the next question. A density of silver is 10.3 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass of silver and the block of block of volume of 200 centimeter cube. So this time you are given density and volume. You have to find the mass. Okay. So we have to come to a